Good day to you. Today's short talk is about two cities. One is called the strong city, and that's a good city. And what does it say about that city? Those who trust in the Lord will be in that city. We have a strong city. God sets up walls and ramparts for security, and that walls are called salvation. Open the gates that the righteous may enter, the one that remains faithful. So we from God's city of salvation, we open doors of righteousness to the rest of the outside, that they may also come to know Him. But there's another city. He has brought low those who dwell on high, the unassailable city, because the lofty city, the powerful city, they think nothing can bring them down. How does He make it low? By the foot of the poor will trample it. The foot of the afflicted and the helpless will go into that powerful city, the lofty city, the proud city, the arrogant city, and a way of righteousness will be made into that city. The way of righteousness is smooth. God causes His humble ones, the afflicted ones, the ones who are apparently powerless, apparently meek and mellow and mournful for the others' errors, wanting to make peace. God makes their feet to make a path of righteousness into this lofty city. And our weapons are not mighty according to the world's way. Our weapons are acts of care, kindness, Isaiah 58 has, forgiving, blessing those who curse us, doing good to those who harm us. These are the weapons of God's people, afflicted, helpless, small, humble, lowly. The world thinks they have no place. The world thinks they can ride over these humble people. Not so. God has a method of warfare that the world does not understand. With kindness, with forgiveness, with making peace, they make inroads into this lofty city and teach them God's ways. God bless you. Keep this in mind. When you face threats, challenges, put downs, intimidation, we don't do tit for tat. We don't do eye for eye. We don't do tooth for tooth. We don't react in kind. We don't look for vengeance. We look for the way of peace, path of peace. And we are told righteousness will kiss peace. Grace and truth came through Jesus Christ. God bless you. I'm Dr. Lalit Mendis. If you want any clips of this nature, clips of reason, spirituality and science, please send me a WhatsApp to +94 74 211 5011. You can also download my app free of charge, Golden Nuggets, from App Store or Google. Thank you.